Canna lilies are stunning and super simple to grow, perfect for gardeners of any level. Once the blooms fade, the plant begins to decline. Perfect time to thin out and tidy up. Here's a simple and effective way to thin your lilies for better growth. Here's how not to do it. Don't pull on the plant. It won't work. Here's how to do it. Gently grip the stalk with one hand closer to the base. It'll give you better control. Then give it a swift downward snap. One clean motion does the trick. Snap and pop. Easy. You will see it pop loose from the bottom with ease. No tugging needed. Strategic thinning promotes rapid sprouting of fresh stalks from the rhizome, enhancing overall plant vigor.